If I had to ask you guys one question about this car, what would it be? It would be, TJ, what's the one thing that you're missing on your Z? And no, it's not the fact that it doesn't run yet or that it looks like crap. It's the fact that we don't have a big wing. And all you guys are always saying, Teach, when are you gonna get another Z in your car? Teach, why do you not have a big wing? Where's your big wing gang? Well, today, boys, I'm proud to announce we have a special gift from Big Country Labs. And they're actually here right now. Colin, the man, came down and said, TJ, I got a special gift for you. I want to come hand deliver it and help you install it. So today, ladies and gentlemen, give a warm welcome to Big Country Labs. Make sure they're heard down below in the comments. Follow the social medias here because they're hooking us up with something very special with this car. I'm very excited. And why, yes, I know the car isn't 100% complete yet. That's okay because you can always appreciate a little Big Wang gang. This guy goes to Jamba Juice in the AM. Hey, did you happen to get me anything? I haven't had breakfast yet. Do you want my waffle? I didn't think you were gonna be that nice and offer it up. I can't take your waffle. If you would have gotten me a waffle.
I already ate one of them. I bought 2 waffles. You want my waffle?
No, you can have it. Hey, but I want to introduce you to somebody. Check it out. What do you think about that, mate? That's where, yeah, dude. That's where our cars came from. They went from that to what we have.
That's our grandpa.
That's an ancestor. That's an ancestor, mate.
How many years apart are they? Probably like 40 years. 30,
40 years? You're
30
joking.
Years.
You're probably like 20.
Yeah,
I don't know.
They're brothers. They're brothers.
I honestly, I don't know the age difference.
Guys, I want to introduce you to Colin. Colin, you want to introduce yourself?
Yeah, my name's Colin Frost, and I'm a founder at Big Country Labs. We make wings and stuff. I don't know if you ever heard of it.
Big Wang Gang.
Yeah, have you ever
Baby, Big Wang Gang.
Yeah,
So-
it always comes with a boop. Boop. One of those taparoonies. Okay, we got a little something for you.
What do we got over
So
here?
first, this is,
Wait, are you serious?
yeah, this is the 1850 millimeter deck. It is the biggest thing we make.
Are you really
Let me just hold
gonna,
on. Can you stand in front of this?
Oh, yeah.
gonna put this
That's
on your
what I'm
car?
talking about.
Are you serious?
Yeah, that's going on your car. And then if you want, maybe we turn it into like a toboggan or something for you afterwards.
Oh, yeah. I could put Calvin that and ship them off.
Send
Not
them back
for
to
sale.
us. We have a Calvin return program.
Dude,
You
I
send
know.
one Calvin, we send you a half price ring. That's our deal.
That'd be
I'm
nice
so
meme.
excited.
Send in a Calvin for half price.
Half price with
And
Calvin.
then we got
so
bits in. Oh.
we also did this for you
Yo.
because we knew you'd say,
Yo. That is so sick.
so we got the box with all this cool stuff. You're now officially a member of the 1850 Club, the 1850 Wing.
The
This is
official
the
Big
thing.
Wang
This
gang
is the
right there.
thing, yeah. The 1850 Club. I'm not even a member of the 1850 Club. Mine's got a 1700. So,
Wait, that's not the same size as that?
no, like check
Oh
out, check
my
out how wide this
God.
is compared to my car.
I love it right now. I'm in heaven right now.
By comparison.
Oh my God.
Yeah.
Oh, that's gonna be so big.
Yeah,
That's
enormous.
so big.
Might want to get a wider garage door.
Oh, too hype right now. Is this the same size that Forrest Wang rocks on his car?
Yeah, he runs the 1850 on his Formula D car.
Where you at, Forrest?
Yep, and he's slapping banners, hitting walls with that thing. So this is
man.
prepared to do the same for you.
So hyped. So hyped.
There's a point where ridiculous is just not even a word anymore.
This
And that's
is-
what that is.
I cannot wait. Well, fuck, we gotta get it. We might as well unbox it outside because we got so much crap inside the shop.
Yeah, go
I'm
for
gonna
it.
go grab us
Sure,
some.
grab something sharp.
Grab some knives. Dude, that hot boy hyped up. What you know about it? Like, Teach, when you gonna get a big win? When you gonna... In the back of my head, I'm like, y'all don't even know. Don't even know. I've had this in the works for quite a while. It's like Christmas right now. I'm stoked. I know you guys can tell.
I got it.
There's one other important thing that comes with having a BCL wing.
Okay.
And that's when somebody criticizes it.
Oh.
You say,
Shut up,
shut
nerd.
Oh man. Oh, that's so good. Yeah. If you were a virgin before this, you won't be after. Yeah.
That is so big.
Before we go any farther today, I need a little Jamba Juice, and Blue needs a little ride, and Beckerman doesn't have a car, so he's gonna come with us.
I have a car.
Your car is broken.
Blue, show them how good you are. My man.
I'm so dirty, it's awesome. Just rubbing my dirty
Just
body.
getting all your scum
Ooh, get ready.
in my car.
Gotta drop these off too.
Well, VIPs?
Yeah, baby.
Oh, if you want to become a Thought VIP, hashtag selfless plug for Evan.
Hey, you can win a turbo kit, baby.
Oh, fucking right, boys. We're giving away a turbo kit. Hunt Quarters is just doing another collab with Throttle. If you want to win a turbo kit for your car, what does it include, Evan?
Garrett Turbo, Turbo Smart Wastegate, Turbo Smart Blow-Off Valve, CX Racing Intercooler Kit, a whole bunch of other stuff.
If you want to enter that, the link will be down below. It'll be very obvious, first link. One of you boys is getting a free turbo kit.
Woo!
3 hours later.
All right, so before we start getting, wow, words. Before we start getting into this, we're trying to figure out exactly how to piece it together. I think we got to figure it out. This piece, and something like that, and then the wing mounts to this. When I was talking to Colin about it, I told him that I didn't want like a super tall wing. I don't want like an obnoxiously tall wing, but I want like a good medium-sized wing. Nothing that's like gonna be too crazy. It's about roof height. So I think what we're gonna do first is piece together both the arms. Then once that's together, we'll find out where we're supposed to place it and how we're going to mount it, which I haven't quite figured. I think it actually goes something like that.
I don't know. I was trying. It's kind of, once we get it on the wing, I think it's a lot easier.
Yeah, and Colin said there's no instructions, but it's pretty self-explanatory. By looking at pictures, you can figure it out. And with this hardware, you can tell what piece goes where. It's not that difficult. One thing that I really like about this is the hardware is like really cool. There's a lot of like small attention to detail things that I've been finding as I am looking across the kit. Check this out.
Oh, the fin.
Apart from doing a little collab piece on there, it says for use with wall rides and banner slaps. I don't know why I thought that was so cool. I just find it fascinating how you know that the product was made by someone who enjoys the same thing as you. And although it may not be the most functional thing in the world, it's just the style, the way it looks, and you get these wings just because you think wings look cool. You don't get this wing to be the most functional guy out there. And I just thought that little play on words, the little writing on it was just fucking awesome. Yeah, we'll probably have to do the top adjustments for the angle. But I mean, for now, I guess. So we're trying to find out where it mounts. It looks like we thought it would be here, maybe here, but from what we've looked online, it kind of looks like it's somewhere along the middle, like that.
Yeah, it definitely looks right. I think best bet is just put it on the wing, put it down, and mark it.
So you want to attach these to the wing?
Yeah, because dude, if you fucking did that and we guessed it, those holes are not gonna line up with the bottom of the wing.
Okay.
I'm fucking excited, dude. Yeah, I can see you guys came perfect.
Have we shown how concave this is?
No.
Look like this.
So
It's
it looks pretty good.
So we tried just bolting it in this way and it doesn't work like that because the angle of these brackets, you can't put in the hardware. So we're gonna take off this lower bracket first from the wing and then mount the bracket to the car and then mount the wing on the bracket to the car, if that makes sense at all.
I think these need to be cut.
Mickey, it's cool. Hot boy!
Looks like
Hot boy!
take out the bottom of the parts.
Hot boy! You know what I'm gonna get on the back right here, Mickey?
Did you get this from Kyle?
Gay.
I'm gonna put here. Cut.
Dustin has micro penis.
Cut.
So I was gonna say, dude.
You want to see? Let's show him.
Mickey's like, damn, where can I get one of those? They make that for a Lexus CT 400? Do they make that for a Prius? Final consensus. 10 out of 10, hot boy. You can look at Mickey, he's like, this is what he's thinking. Oh shit, man. Man, this looks so good. I'm gonna get this for all my cars and I'm gonna put my beard shavings on it for metallic flake. That's what he's thinking. That's what he's thinking.
I got one. I gave you one.
This little DNA. Oh, the little pubey. Check this out. Look at this beard
That's
pube.
a beard hair.
That's called a beard pube,
Oh,
Mick.
that's okay. You've had them on your lens for like 2 months.
That's a nice meme. We might need to do a little bit of adjustment. Let me know down below. Do you think it should be higher? Is it good? Should we put it lower? I'm pretty satisfied. I think it maybe could be a little bit higher. This is the, I think, streets version. There's like longer necks that you can do. Overall, I think my favorite thing about it is like the attention to detail. Like just that stuff and the fact that they like etched in the logo and did like a little collab piece. Double thumbs up. It's about to go down. Hey, content police here. Evan, thanks for your content, brother. This car is about to blow the fuck up.
So it's just gonna crank. I have the fuel pump fuse disconnected.
I like penis. I'm Jewish.
Fire it up right now? I'm gonna crank.
He's been working on this car for like 3 weeks. No, like
It's 3 weeks.
it's been here for 3 weeks. But he's put like maybe a week of effort into it. He's about to get his first start. We've been like waiting all day for this moment. There's a lot of bets going on in the warehouse. I'll give it to him though. He did this like pretty much by himself with the help.
He doesn't have a tune, bro. I don't know.
Wait, he doesn't have a tune?
He doesn't have a tune.
Evan, you don't have a tune.
We're running a factory
Send me
tune.
the full base map for everything that I have tomorrow.
But no, we gotta do it.
Dude, I have to
We gotta
make
do it
sure
right
that
now,
the
bro.
oil system works. Everything is not.
So we're not getting a full start?
Oh, we're revving.
We're not getting a full start. You triggering.
As you could tell, the drama, it's
We're
tense.
gonna get there. It might fucking piss a shitload of oil right now.
Let's see. That was it. Tune in next week to see the next episode. You don't really need that, do you?
Dude, I fucking broke the shit out of one in Vegas.
Oh! It's does not sound. Didn't sound bad.
I'll be honest, I'm shocked it even started.
That was pretty good, dude.
Beckerman, seal of approval, baby.
That's good. Going once. That's max. The video's gonna be like.
I didn't even get to nut, bitch. I didn't even get a nut.
Blue balls definition right there.
Damn it.
I was trying to bust a nut.
Dude,
And
I was
I didn't
fucking
even
ready
nut.
all day. I've been waiting here. Could have gone home already, but I've been waiting, dude. I'm going
Hang
now.
out. He's not hanging out with us, Teach.
What are you gonna do? Where are
I'm
you
going
going?
to TJ's house and pooping.
Why would you go to
You're more
TJ's?
than welcome to come to my house. 'Cause you know what? You never do. You're more than welcome.
I'm hungry, actually.
What are you gonna do? You're not gonna hang out.
I'm gonna sit on TJ's couch for like 10 minutes.
Yeah, good job, man.
What, dude?
I like how Dustin sounds right now. He sounds cool. Before he sounded like a child.
Like a hot load in the back of his throat, and he's still trying to clear it. So I just got home and found this box at my front door. To TJ from Movement. You're the tits. Thank you for being a part of the Movement family for so long. We greatly appreciate our partnership together. Here's a little something from us to keep all your swag in one spot. What does that mean? What'd you get? What'd you get? Ooh, oh, baby. Oh, man. It's a watch box and then it has my name on it. It says TJ Hunt, keep moving forward. And I'm feeling just kidding, it's not the end of the video. Yo, that's awesome. And I can put watches in there. My other watch box is filled up anyway, so I can put my leftovers in here. Let me show you. Luke, get out of the way, damn it. God, move. A lot of watches. A lot more moving watches. So now I can put that here. See, as you can see right there. Can I get that in focus? Kind of. Oh, there it is. That's dope. That's really cool. Oh, and then it says movement right there in the corner.